Hi, I'm Jackie Partridge from Jackie Partridge Art. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 common mistakes that beginner painters make and how you can avoid them. So first of all, if you like this video, then you might want to download my free guide that gives you 10 common mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them, with lots of tips and links to helpful videos. So if you are interested, check out the link in the description. Now on to the 3 common mistakes beginners make. So mistake number 1 is using paint directly out of the tube. So not mixing your colors, just using straight green paint from the tube or straight blue paint from the tube when painting like a sky, or straight green paint for painting grass. It's really important to mix your colors. So add white, add black, add yellow, add complementary colors, mix in a little bit of brown. It's good to have a variety of colors. Even within one small area of grass, you want to have different shades and tints of green. Some brighter green, some dull green, because there's shadows, there's highlights, and different greens look different further in the distance versus up close in the foreground. So play around with color mixing, and you can check out other color mixing videos that I've linked below in the description to help you. Mistake number 2 is not varying your brush strokes. So if you're always painting up and down with the same kind of brush, your painting is going to look flat. So it's important to vary your brush strokes. If you're painting an object that's round, like an apple, you want to have some curved brush strokes to help that object look more three-dimensional. You can use different types of brushes, different sizes of brushes to achieve different kinds of brush strokes. I also have a video that shares a variety of different brush strokes that you can achieve, and you can check out that video in the description, and I've linked that below for you. The final mistake that beginners make, mistake number 3, is that they're not painting highlights and shadows. So when you're trying to paint something and make it look realistic and natural, you need to remember that there's always lights or shadows. So that the highlight could be the sun shining, the highlight could be a lamp or an interior light, but there's always some kind of highlight. There's a lighter side of the object, and the opposite side is the shadow. So everything has some kind of a shadow. So the side that's further away from the light source is going to be darker and have a shadow. And to explore that, it takes practice. You want to make sure that you're looking closely at your reference photo that you're painting, and that you try to exaggerate those highlights and shadows to make it look even more realistic and more noticeable in your painting. So if you like these tips and you found them helpful, again, feel free to download my free guide. The link for that is in the description of this video. So check it out. 10 different common mistakes that beginners make and how you can avoid them. There's links to videos. There's lots of tips and knowledge to help you move from a beginner painter to an intermediate painter. If you like this video, be sure to like it and to subscribe to this channel to see more helpful tips as well as painting tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy painting. Bye!